Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Anita ma'am. Today we will learn about right and left. Right and left.
Left, right. Left, right.
First we will discuss about right. Okay? Tell me, which animal is this? This is a dog. Which side is the dog facing? Right side. Which animal is this, children? This is a zebra. Which side is the zebra facing? Right side. And now, what is this? This is a squirrel. Which side is the squirrel facing? Right side. Very good, children. Now we will discuss about left. Which animal is this? This is a rabbit. Which side is the rabbit facing? Left side. Which animal is this? Tell me. Dog. Which side is the dog facing? Left side. And which bird is this? This is a pigeon. Which side is the pigeon facing? Left side.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Circle the direction the animal is facing. Which side is the bee facing? Left side. Very good. Which side is the snail facing? Left side. Very good, children. Which side is the fish facing? It's also left side. Well done, children. Oh, which side is the turtle facing? Right side. Very good. Which side is the chameleon facing? Left side. Very good. And the last one is cow. Which side is the cow facing? Very good, children. Right side.
Left, right, left, right.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Grandma's on the left and grandpa's on the right. Blue is on the left and green is on the right. Sun is on the left and the moon is on the right. This is my left and this.
I hope you all are enjoying my video. See you in next class. Bye-bye, children. Take care.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kidz.